guys, welcome back to my Chinese class. I'm Kate. Yeah, I'm on my way to work and today is a rainy day. 今天是下雨天。今天是下雨天。So today we are going to learn how to use Chinese nouns. What is a noun? A word denoting the name of a person or thing is called a noun, right? So what is the grammatical features of a noun? Well, firstly, a noun can be preceded by a numeral word combination. For example, a friend, 一个朋友，一个朋友。朋友 is the noun, 朋友 is the noun, and 一个 is the numeral word, right? Okay, 一个朋友，一个朋友 or a car, 一辆汽车，一辆汽车，一辆汽车。汽车 is the noun, 汽车 is the noun, 一辆 is the numeral word. And secondly, the suffix man can be added to a personal noun to express the plural. For example, 孩子们，孩子们，孩子们 means kids, kids. Okay, 孩子 actually means kid. So kids, how to express kids? We add 们 after 孩子 We add 们 after 孩子 So it becomes 孩子们孩子们孩子们 means kids. So how to express friends? We have already learned how to say friend before, right? Do you remember? Friend, how to say friend? 朋友朋友朋友 Very good. So how to say friends? We add 们 after 朋友 right? So it becomes 朋友们朋友们朋友们 means friends. Very good. Alright, next. Please remember, a noun can be modified by adjectives but cannot be modified by adverbs. Alright, so for example, a cute dog. 一只可爱的狗，一只可爱的狗 Cute dog, 可爱的狗，可爱的狗，可爱的 is the adjective. 可爱的 is the adjective. 狗 is the noun. 狗 is the noun. And 一个漂亮的女孩，一个漂亮的女孩 a beautiful girl, a beautiful girl. Beautiful girl, 漂亮的女孩，漂亮的，漂亮的，漂亮的 is the adjective. 漂亮的 is the adjective means beautiful, right? And 女孩 is the noun. 女孩 is the noun means girl. Okay, so 漂亮的女孩 beautiful girl. Alright, next we're going to learn the functions of nouns. Normally, a noun can serve as object, subject, and attributive in a sentence. Well, first, as the subject, let's try to make sentence. 北京是中国的首都。北京是中国的首都。北京 is the capital of China. 北京 is the capital of China. 北京 is a noun, right? And it is the subject in this sentence. Let's try another example. 学生学习，学生学习，学生学习 means students study. Students study. Students is the noun. Okay, so 学生 is the noun. 学生 is the noun, and it is also the subject in this sentence, right? It is very easy. And next, as the object. For example, 我喜欢你，我喜欢你。I like you. You, 你 is the object in this sentence, right? And it is also a noun. So here, 你 as the object in this sentence. And the last one, as an attributive. Well, for example, 这是中国话，这是中国话。中国话 Chinese painting. This is Chinese painting. This is Chinese painting. 这是中国画。Here, please pay attention. 中国 is a noun. 中国 is a noun. It is not 中国的。Okay, 中国的 is adjective, but 中国 is just a noun. Okay, so here, 中国 is the attributive. 中国 is the attributive. Alright, so this is today's Chinese class. I hope you guys know how to use Chinese nouns. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and let me know. I will try my best to help you guys. If you like my videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe me. Bye bye!